Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify them using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Place the bottom, top, left, and right panels next to each other with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Using your screwdriver or drill, screw the cam lock bolts into the holes with the white plastic insert. Be sure to keep the bolts in a vertical position. Use your rubber mallet to tap the dowels into place. Locate the 3 back panels of your cabinet box. Align the holes on your back panels with the dowels and cam lock bolts previously installed on the bottom panel of your cabinet box. Gently tap the back panels into place with your rubber mallet. Place the cam lock nuts into position and use your screwdriver to rotate them 90 degrees clockwise until tight. Insert the screws into the pre-drilled holes at the back of the cabinet box and use your drill to fasten them. Place the adjustable shelves on top of the bottom panel of your cabinet box. The shelves will be attached in a later step. Attach the top panel of your cabinet box by aligning the cam lock bolts and dowels with the holes found on the back panels of your cabinet box. Gently tap the connection points with your mallet to eliminate any gaps. Insert the cam lock nuts into place and rotate them 90 degrees clockwise until tight. Locate your left and right side panels. Align the cam lock bolts and dowels previously installed on your left and right side panels with the pre-drilled holes on your cabinet's bottom, top, and back panels. Gently tap the connection points with your mallet to eliminate any gaps. Place the cam lock nuts into position and use your screwdriver to rotate them 90 degrees clockwise until tight. Place the shelf supports into the desired holes within your cabinet box. Lift each shelf and place it on top of the support pegs. Place the cabinet door panels on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Insert the hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of the cabinet door panels and use your drill to fasten them using the screws provided. Align the door with the pre-drilled holes inside the cabinet box and use your drill to attach the hinges using the provided screws. Congratulations on completing your assembly.